Master your photography. Elevate with our gear. Imagine capturing life's fleeting moments with sheer precision and unmatched style. Our cameras and accessories collection offers high-quality tools designed for every level, beginner to pro. From crystal-clear cameras to versatile lenses, explore gear that transforms ordinary shots into extraordinary memories. Beyond cameras, our range of accessories is crafted to maximize your photography potential. Discover essential tools like tripods, which provide stability, or memory cards to ensure you never miss a moment. Each accessory is built to complement your equipment, allowing you to focus on creative expression. Stay ahead in your photographic journey with our latest gadgets and tools. Our collection introduces pioneering technology to make filming and capturing efforts seamless and professional. Whether it's exploring a new technique or mastering a classic style, have the right equipment at your fingertips. Embark on an adventure of visual storytelling with ease and confidence. With our premium gear, narrate stories through stunning visuals that resonate. Each product is crafted to enhance your vision, guiding you towards creating art that speaks volumes and leaves a lasting impression. Ready to redefine your photography experience? Dive into our cameras and accessories collection and discover the tools that will transform your craft. Engage with a vibrant community of like-minded enthusiasts and unlock your creative potential today. Don't just capture moments, turn them into masterpieces. Visit our collection now.